Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be breaking it down, everything that is new at the drugstore that is under $10. A lot of these items are way under $10. This is like the babe on a budget type of a video with new products. So it's not just like my favorite of all time. These are new launches that caught my eye that I have been playing with, and I am here to serve them up to you. We're going to swatch, we're going to talk about them. Before we jump right in, I'm going to ask that you like the video if you like it. You can wait, like you can like see like if you like 10 under 10, or if you like my dress, or if you like, hey, PS, if you like that I'm more zoomed out. I am usually up in your guys' business, and I figured because we're just like hanging out and chatting, I was gonna like have a little more breathing room. And it's weird, I'm looking in the monitor and I'm like, oh, there's my cute outfit. This is a dress, isn't it cute? Anyway, if you like anything in this video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe and ring that bell, turn your notifications on before you leave so you don't miss any of my future content. With that said, let's hop right on in to the good beauty deals. Yay! You guys, it is sunshiny out, which just does something to me. Like I literally feel like most days I sit down and I'm like in a cozy sweater, turtleneck, whatever, and it's cold here and it's kind of dreary outside, and sometimes I can actually hear the rain and I'm just like, I need some like vitamin D, I need some sunshine, and today the sun is out and I am thrilled about it. I'm like, it changes everything, you guys. Who is excited? I know like summer comes after spring, but like who's excited for the weather to turn, right? I'm ready. Are you ready? I am ready. I'm thinking, am I wearing this dress right? I don't think I am. There's a button. Wait a second. I knew something was funny. I honestly, you guys, I've had this dress for a while. I wore this in Vegas to a concert way back when. This is a bash dress, and I put it on and I'm like, the sleeves look kind of like something is not right. It has this little tricky guy. Okay, this dress, not budget friendly. The makeup, absolutely, and I'm wearing a lot of it. So where shall we begin? Let's go straight to eyes. You guys, NYX at my local Ulta has a brand new display. I don't know if they're doing that in every store, but my goodness, it looks gorgeous. You can see everything very plain and simple. It's not in that kind of box cube setup anymore. It looks like a pro gondola. It just has this very high-end aesthetic feel to it, which I really loved browsing. And in a way, it kind of made all the makeup feel brand new, which I really loved. I did see a brand new display with this guy right here, and I actually had this saved in my photos because I love makeup. I love the makeup. I keep looking for like the new to really excite me. And this was one when I was perusing on Ulta.com under new arrivals that I like took a picture of and screen grabbed and was like, I need to find this because it's $7 and the colors are gorgeous. You get mattes and then you get 2 shimmers in here, and the texture will not disappoint you. Oh my goodness. I am wearing these 2 on my eyes right now. I wanted to go more cool toned, so I didn't wear the gold that you see here, but literally that's like one swipe. It is so smooth and like suede-like. It just has this nice softness to it. There's not a ton of kickback. You're not gonna have to worry about fluff, you know, flying everywhere. I did my eyeshadow, which is relatively dark until I went haywire and like things happened at the end. I was like, I need something shiny. And so I literally covered up all the work I did. But if you see underneath here, I was able to really define out the crease. And I went in heavy-handed. I was just like, bam, 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 swirl, 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 and there was not a lot of fluff. There's not a lot of fallout. I really love this formula. I think it is absolutely phenomenal. So pretty. The only one I haven't tried in here is the black, oddly. That is, wow. Okay. I'm impressed. I'm super impressed with this for the price especially, and they do have more items in this collection. Super cute. Definitely huge thumbs up from me. I need a white. I don't want to get makeup on my very nice fancy dress. Ooh, this is the thing. Like, I really want to start wearing my nice clothes for filming. That's like a weird thing to like, oh, goals. But do you guys do this thing where you have like a nice dress or a nice blouse and you fear that you're gonna spill on yourself, get makeup on yourself, or like, oh, well, I'm not really going anywhere. Like I'm not gonna waste it. I don't wanna have to get it dry cleaned. But I'm like now in the mood where I'm looking at what I've been wearing and I'm like, it is time to like step up the femininity and the glamour. Did I say that right? Femininity. Except for I'm sitting here and I'm like, I cannot remember how to be a lady and not get like makeup like all over me. Let's just hope I am successful at not spilling on myself by the end of this video. All right, we're gonna move into another eye item. Now this could be dangerous and sprinkle all over me. You do want to glitter glue with this product. I have a love-hate with this range, but this particular color I think is so gorgeous. I had to give it a shout out. This is Electrify from LA Girl. I picked this up at Bartell's. They have a brand new huge display there. And while I have tried some of these in the past, I had never tried this particular color and it is stunning. It has like almost this lime iridescent green with rust, which sounds terrible, but it's just close up in person. It gives off this like duochromatic, really beautiful color that is interesting. It's not just your basic brown or champagne or silver. It's something that to me really stood out. And if you use a glitter glue, this will stay put on your lids and is just beautiful for those of you out there like myself that love a little glitter. I also have to say I was so surprised by this mascara. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I have not been in the E.L.F. makeup in a hot minute just because my like local whatever doesn't sell that much of it. And I used to be spoiled. I used to go to the E.L.F. store. My local, when you get so excited about the makeup, you literally, I'm like out of breath. I'm not even moving. Why? You're taking my breath away, E.L.F. Big Mood Mascara, you guys. This is a fatty, fat brush. Look at this. What? It's like the size of my eye, okay? You have to be careful with this, I will say that. But if you are a gal like me and you have different lash needs on different days, different moods, like I have a mascara I like when I'm wearing falsies. I have mascaras that I wear when I want to be super natural, like no one knows, is she wearing makeup, is she not? Very rare that I reach for that, but I do. And then I have the Va Va Voom class of mascara, which is my go-to. And if you want to be out the door and volumized and kind of bordering looking like you're wearing fake lashes fast, this is the kind of mascara that you will love. The brush on here kind of reminds me of Bite Beauty. It's a thicker, like I said, a thicker jumbo brush. Be careful, especially on the lower lashes with this. But I have to say the packaging, the formula, everything about it, the price especially, I am in love with. So in love. Isn't that the best purple too? Is this not like the most satisfying purple? Okay, let's go to, I have one more eye item. These are just two new colors. The Bounce eyeshadow, I picked up two new shades at Ulta, Sugar Cookie and Macaron. I'm saying that correctly from here on out. I was kind of cringing watching my L'Oreal video where I'm like, macaroon, macaroon, macaroon. And you know, I have been into the baking shows. I was wrong, it's macaron. Macarons are delicious. Anyway, this is the shade Macaron. It's like a beautiful pinky metallic that is not overly pink. It's a very sophisticated pink. You could wear this any day of the week, any occasion. And these are incredible. The texture, the wear time, the little bit of oomph that they can give any look you have going on. I have been in love with these. It's like this puffy kind of gel formula. I am wearing this one today and then I put a little metallic on top of it, but it is just smooth. Wear it on top of, you know, a defined crease, wear it on its own. Either way, you're gonna really, really enjoy it. And I believe they are $9. Okay, for lips, you guys, doing research, was going back in my library. I was going through old videos of mine and I used to put like the exact makeup that I would wear, and I know I need to get back into doing that. And I would get heat for it, you guys. People be like, oh, you use 3 lip products or you use 2 primers. And I'm like, I'm just trying to share with you guys what I actually do. And I will let you know what makeup artists, like legit makeup artists, they do this with a brush. They'll literally go into a pan here, 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 and then do this, and then go back, Picasso time. And it is just like, there's no listing the products, okay? So long story short, I looked in a video where I was like, dang, that's a beautiful lip look you have going on. And I like went to my own description box and I'm like, okay, Kokie, was not expecting that. Drugstore, all right. I didn't have any of these in my collection right now. So I went to good old Bartell's and I picked up 513 Natural. I am wearing it today and it is a standout, you guys. So this is kind of breaking a little bit of the rule as far as it being brand new products. But you guys, I had to tell you, because honestly, if you do a little overlining, let me not talk while I'm doing this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look like clown face. Ah. Okay, that probably was not a good idea to like try to illustrate while I'm like talking to you guys. This is a knockout, standout lip liner, so good. And then the new one that I got from LA Girl, which I wanna say was like $4, $3, like really, really inexpensive. This is a lip liner, so it has that creamy texture formula that is intended for the lips, but the shade of it is perfect for highlighting. It's the shade Nude. It looks like a shade that you would put in your waterline to make your eyes kind of pop. What I did is I literally went kind of right where I would contour, highlight my lip to make my lip look a little bit poutier. And there used to be a higher end, I want to say it was like Julia Hewitt or something, higher end lip pencil that I used until like the bitter end. And I've had a hard time finding like a nude lip pencil specifically that I love on the lips. And lo and behold, something under 10 bucks like gets it done. So yay. The sun's getting a little aggressive. It is getting really bright in here. All right, so I now have this NYX gloss to share with you guys. It's called This Is Juice Gloss. And this is just satisfying, okay? You open it up and you expect, you expect it to be kind of like a Lancome juicy tube where it's just gonna have this kind of a tip right here, but it doesn't. And I don't know why, I just actually super appreciate the doe foot applicator. It doesn't have a huge tint to it, but these smell good. They are very shiny, really hydrating, and there are a ton of different flavors. The display caught my attention. I got pulled in and I'm happy that I bought this Strawberry Flex. This is so good. Electrolyte infused color, really hydrating too. And I'm always looking for more hydration for my lips. I'm that person. You know, the old wives' tale, you can be addicted to lip balm or chapstick, don't overuse it or your lips will be dependent on it. Well, I have to say, yes, I am dependent. I am that person that wears, like I wear the oh my gosh, can I talk today? The Cha-Cha lip balm? No, that's not what it is. Tatcha. Forgive me. I think I'm distracted by the sunshine, the sirens, and they're still building a house next door. It's just like game on for me. Okay, Tatcha, the lip overnight mask. Oh my gosh. That will change your life. That is more than $10, but it is really good. So I am someone that just like, I'm like lip balm, chapstick, lip balm, glosses that are hydrating, all of that. And it is the only way that I can ever wear a product like what I'm about to show you next. A matte lipstick. You guys, Milani created a matte lipstick that is literally like velvet. It is so smooth. It is lightweight, but it is saturated in color. I am such a fan. They have a gorgeous new display at Ulta. I feel like no one had bought a single one, so it was like satisfying to see like the whole color setup. Check these swatches out. Are you joking me? It kind of reminds me of the Pat McGrath formula, to be honest. It has that kind of like powdery, beautiful, but not powdery. Like, don't think it's gonna be powdery and dry. It just has this like very gorgeous velvety finish. It's so nice. I am wearing the shade Pleasure. It's made in Italy also, just so you know. That makes it feel more fancy. And the only reason I can wear matte lipstick ever is if I'm constantly doing a little overnight treatment. I also have another kind of iridescent glossy balm. This is more on the thick side. This is from Pacifica. This is a hemp infused for chronic shine. Oh, I like that. This is a lip gloss balm. This is 100% vegan and cruelty free. And what I like about this one, it's definitely thick. Like you can see how thick that is, but it has just like a hint of iridescence. And if you're, you know, going to the gym, going for a walk, you're not wearing a lot of makeup, you want to hydrate the lips, and you maybe want to have like a little teeny tiny extra something fun, this is really, really nice. I did get, I'm gonna show you, just cause, like, why not? Why not? You guys, should I do a dedicated? I think, right? I got the new Tarte Shape Tape Cloud Coverage. I'm excited. I have a lot of new makeup here to be trying out. This is my job. I don't have another reason. I just really love trying new stuff. Okay, so this from Awake, which is Tarte's kind of skincare line, I guess. This is another overnight lip mask. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite lip treatment? Because I have a thing right now with them. Like I can't help it. I'm compulsively buying them. I want to find like the absolute best, and then maybe like over on IG do like a top 10 or something. This smells so good. The strawberry milk one looked so pretty. Like it looked like it would be really nudie and just like pretty even if you were to wear it during the day. Which, by the way, if something is an overnight mask, you can wear it whenever you want. It does not even matter. It just means it's a little bit thicker. It's not as lightweight as, say, something like this. So they had a strawberry milk one. The shade looked beautiful. Like I like that milky, creamy kind of a shade, especially when it sinks into the lips and then it makes the lips look really ginormo. But the scent of it just killed me. It literally smelled like actual strawberry milk, which just kind of made me go, ugh. Like it just, there was something about it that was almost like too kiddish and too sweet. So this one has just like barely a scent at all. I don't know. I like it. I'll let you guys know as I use it how it goes. All right, so that's me rambling on about new things under $10. I really just want to show you a few other things that are in this bag. This is like the bonus haul portion of the video that I wasn't gonna do. Okay, I'll show you two more things that I got. Shout out to the employee at Ulta. That is so sweet, and I love you so much. She pointed me into the direction of the Smart Clinical Repair Clinique Under Eye Wrinkle Cream. She was raving about this so much that I was like, I don't even need to like try it on my hand or anything. Like, I'll just take it. We'll see how this goes. So she loved it. She's been saying that she's seen a huge difference under her eyes. And I have mentioned that this is the year, like the first year that I really wanted to find a good eye cream. I'd kind of given up for a minute because a lot of them were too emollient and almost giving me like bumps under the eye. So I'd just been using face cream everywhere. But I will try this one out and see how it goes. I also did pick up an Urban Decay palette. Since when? Since when? I have not purchased anything Urban Decay in forever. I love green. Hello, look at me right now. What am I wearing? All green. And I thought the colors looked really pretty. So stay tuned. Thumbs this up if you want to see this in action. I'm thinking about doing some type of a palette type video soon. And that is that. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you found this helpful, fun to watch. If you did, you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Ring the bell and let me know something good about your day in the comments. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.